There is a new way to do affiliate marketing on TikTok, and I don't say this very lightly, but this is a method that you can literally start making money on day one. I went through and did it, made money on day one, and I've seen multiple people do it as well. I, of course, am talking about the TikTok Shop's affiliate program. If you've been on TikTok at all over the past month, 2-3 months, you probably have realized this. I do lots of affiliate marketing, and I can honestly say that this is probably one of the easiest ways to make money through affiliate marketing right now. So I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process in this video. In this video, we're gonna be covering how to create your TikTok Shop affiliate account, how to get accepted into the program, even if you don't have 5,000 followers, how to find products that you can go through and make videos for, which is probably the most important part, but not only how to find products, but how to find products before they've started trending and are about to trend using very specific data. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to find a list of these products very quickly, all in this video. And then at the end, I'm gonna show you also how to go through and add that product into your TikTok Shop account and make videos for that account so that you can start making money ultimately. Now, for those who aren't familiar with what a TikTok Shop affiliate video looks like and how you can actually make money with this, you can see here's an example of a video. This guy went through and made a video for a mini projector. And you can see here in this left-hand corner, there's this little shop icon. Right now, sellers are going through and listing products directly on Amazon. And if you make a video utilizing that product, you can get up to 80% commission, honestly, on some of these. But you can see right now for this one, he's earning 10% commission. So if somebody goes through and watches this video and purchases this product, he will get a 10% commission. And the crazy thing is, because this is a new feature, TikTok is pushing these kind of videos out like crazy. And you can make very simple videos and not even show your face, just like this guy, and also make money with this program. So the first step is to actually go through and create a TikTok account. Once you've created your TikTok account, there are requirements in order to get accepted into the TikTok Shop's affiliate program. And this is often one of the things that stops people from even getting started, is because you do need to have at least 5,000 followers in TikTok in order to be eligible to join the program. However, I can tell you that I joined the program without 5,000 followers, and a lot of other people have as well. And there's actually a little bit of a loophole and a way to get around that 5,000 followers minimum. And if you want to learn how to create an account and get accepted in the program without 5,000 followers, I encourage you to check out this video right here. I walk through that entire process from start to finish on how to get accepted if you don't have 5,000 followers. If you do have 5,000 followers, then all you need to do is log into the account that has 5,000 followers, click on the top right-hand corner, click on the creator tools. And then inside of the creator tools, you're going to see something that says TikTok Shop for Creators. Click on that. You'll see the little bar saying that you need to at least be, I think, 18 or older, have 5,000 followers, and then you can go through and hit accept, and then follow the steps until you see a screen that looks like this. And then congratulations, you are in the TikTok Shop's affiliate program. Like I said, if you don't have 5,000 followers, check out the video down below in the description to learn how to get accepted if you're in that boat. Once you get accepted into the program, it is going to take you to a view that looks something like this, where you can see your TikTok Shop's toolkit. Inside of here, you have your product marketplace. That's where you can go through and add products and find products to make videos for. You can look at your shop. This is where you can go through and manage the products that are inside of your shop, remove and add them. There's the managed products, your earnings, managed samples, invite collabs. So this is where you can go through and see if you have any collaborations from brands reaching out and saying, hey, can you make a video for me? And then lots of other things inside of here, but those are probably the main ones that you're gonna want to get started with. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna scroll over here to the product marketplace, and this is where we can start identifying products that we want to add to our showcase so that we can create videos for them. And you can see here it has categories, and it has bestsellers, and it has spotlights as well, and then trending shops, all sorts of different things. If I wanted to go through and add one of these to my showcase so I can make a video for it later, I can just go through and hit add, that little add button there. You can see this specific product, this silicone body scrubber, earns 36 cents per sell. You can see it costs $1.80, and you can see here the total commission is 20%. There's 955 in stock. And you can go through and just add that to your showcase if you wanted to create a video for that. So what you want to do is start scrolling through this and getting an idea of some of the products that you want to go through and create, some of the best sellers. This is a good place to start, but honestly, I find that a lot of these products, the data is a little bit old, and these are products that were best sellers, and now there are new ones that are about to trend. So if you go through and buy this, and by the time it gets shipped to you and you receive it, the chances are the trend is kind of going to be gone, and you're going to be wasting your money. So you can go through and try this method, but I've actually identified a better way to find products before they start trending. And I'll show you that method here in just a minute, but I do want to kind of show you what you can do from this point. So you can see that has now been added to our showcase. So we can come back over here, and if we click on all the way to the back, you can see your shop, or sorry, you manage products, and you can see inside of here, this product is now in our TikTok shop, and we can go through and create a video for that, and I'll show you how to do that later as well. But I do want to show you now how to find actually trending products before they start trending. And the best tool I have found to find trending products very quickly is this tool called Callow Data. The great thing is you can get a free trial with no credit card needed if you check out the link down below in the description. I do have the paid plan because I do find it is that valuable, but you can get by with the free plan. As I go through and show you how I use this, I'll show you what you will be able to see with the free plan and what you can see with the paid plan. So once you go through and sign up, it will take you to a view that looks something like this. We want to come over here where it says affiliate creators. This is specifically for us. This is made for affiliate creators, which is nice. And then it's going to ask you to find the most suitable niches for the content you're creating. Now, to be honest with you, with TikTok Shop's affiliate program, you don't really have to have a niche. So a lot of times I'll just go through and I'll just add a couple of these inside of here. You can add the specific niche you're wanting to target inside of here if you wanted to, but later I just use this to get the answers and then I delete the categories inside of here. So you can see that's going to give us some categories here on the left-hand side. I just go through and delete that because I want to find the absolute best selling products inside of TikTok, no matter what the niche is. Once you've gone through and filled that out, it's going to drop you in a view that looks something like this, and right now this is showing us the top creators that are selling inside of TikTok Shop. So you have the creator info, their followers, and their best selling products. So hopefully you can see just how lucrative this can be when you have the right data. You can start to see exactly what content they've created. You can see the total revenue and the trend of the revenue, content views, trends, and then their debut time when they actually started creating this content. Now it's important to note a couple of different things, and one of the biggest things is the revenue trend. We don't want to be following a trend that is kind of on the way down, basically. We want to identify creators who are on the way up. So right now you can see this one right here. This is, you can see the revenue, it's kind of going up this way, and then it's on an upward trend. Now these are creators specifically, and if you wanted to go through and identify the videos that they've created, you can come over here and you can click on this, and it will actually take you to a more detailed view. Now this is where this information would be blurred out if you didn't have the paid view. So I do want to keep that in mind. But with the paid plan, you can go through and look at this, and you can actually look at their top videos inside of the product, how much that video made them. And you can literally go through and look at the video, identify what hook they used, what content they used, what were they doing inside of the video, and what the call to action is, and look and see and replicate that in your own style. I'm not telling you to go through and copy these videos exactly, but chances are there's a reason that it went viral. And if you take some of those viral elements and make your own video, I'm not saying it's 100% guaranteed that you're gonna have a viral video, that's just gonna happen, but this will drastically increase your chances of having a video that can get lots of sales and lots of views. Now that's how you can go through and follow a specific creator, but one of the actually better ways that I found to identify products is actually come over here to the products. And this is where you can find products before they've actually started to trend. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here to this left-hand column. This will show you all the top products, but you can see a lot of these are kind of in a downward spiral. They're not really moving on the up and up. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here to revenue. You can change this so that they're at least gotten some sales. So I generally like to have a minimum of at least 1,000 sales. That way we know it's something that can actually sell inside of TikTok. So we're gonna go through and hit apply there. And then revenue source, we do wanna make sure that this is on all. And then revenue trend. This is really awesome. This is kind of the best way to find these. You see there is growing trends. This means that it's going to help us get the products that are on the up, not on the way down. So we're gonna hit growing here. And then here, average unit price. This is something that it's important that I think a lot of new people don't understand, is when you are creating these videos, if you create a video for something that's $1 and you're getting a 10% commission, that means you're only going to get 10 cents per sale. So generally when I'm creating videos, I like to create videos that are for products that are at least $10. That way, if the commission is only 10%, I'm making at least $1 per sale on that product. Obviously, the higher the product price, the more commission you can make. So I generally like to have this at a minimum of $10. I'll go through and hit apply there. And then we want to make sure that this is an affiliate product. So we want to make sure that is on yes, and then we can go through and hit submit. And what this is going to do is it's going to find us basically the trending products that are on their way up. Now it's important to note on the free plan, you get, I think 10 searches. So you'll be able to see this data, but the most viewed videos I think will be blurred out for you. So you won't be able to see that, but you'll at least be able to identify these products. And then we want to go through and take this step further. So you can see, you can scroll down this and you can literally go through and make videos for these top 10 products, or you can go further down the list as well. What I've found is that with these top 10 products, a lot of people are creating videos for them. So sometimes it's good to go through and click onto like page 5 or something like that, so that you're finding products that maybe less creators have made videos for. That's not always the case, but it's a good way to kind of find new ones. You can see here, this is one that's been really popular. If you click inside of this, Once again, you can do the same thing with the detailed view if you have the paid plan. And if you do want to get the paid plan, I think if you use the link down below, it will give you a product code called Zoco, where you can get 10% off your plan. I'm not saying that you need it, but for me, like I said, it's been worth it and paid for itself many times over again. Inside of here, you can see the product, the revenue, you can see the creators who have made videos for this, and then once again, a list of more videos that you can go through and create. Now, some of these have a little ad next to them. If they have an ad, that's not something you want to copy, because that means that somebody's put ad spend behind them and it's a little bit skewed. So make sure that they don't have the ad example. I'm not seeing any of them on here, but there'll be a little purple thing that says ad on that. And this is how you can go through and find those trending products. So now that we've identified maybe a product that we want to go through and make a video for, what you can do from this point is you will now need to go through and actually purchase this product. So there's two ways you can purchase it. Either you can go through and purchase it on TikTok Shop. So you can go through and just copy this thing, copy it, and then go into your TikTok shops and search for it and buy it. Or you can go onto Amazon and find a product that a lot of times, a lot of these products are on Amazon. You can go through and find that exact same product and buy it and get it faster to your website or faster to your home. Just make sure that it is the exact product, because TikTok is very strict about these kind of things, but just a little hack for you to keep in mind. So now I went through and copied the title of that, and then I'm just gonna come over here to the TikTok product marketplace. I'm going to search for products. I'm going to then paste in the product that we have here. Go through and paste that in, hit search, and then you can see there is our product right there. If I wanted to go through and add it to my TikTok shops, I can click that add button. If I wanted to purchase this product, if I click on it, you can see here, it will, and I scroll down here, I can actually go through and buy that product. And a lot of times you can get one of these 20% off TikTok shops coupons, so you can go through and claim that so you can get it even cheaper if you want to go through and do that. So there are those options, but that's how you go through and purchase this product. And the last thing to do is actually go through and create your video. Like I said, utilize the tools to kind of look and see what is working for that specific product to go through and create it. I find that as the best way to go through and do that. And in order to actually create the video and tag that product, what you do is you come to your TikTok account, you hit the plus button to actually go through and start creating the video. You can just go through and grab a specific product. I'm just gonna do one for these headphones right here, and then I hit next. And then you can go through and create your video, but then when it's, you add the description and all that different stuff, you kind of know how to do that. But then once it comes here to the add link, you click on add link right there and then products. And then you can scroll down and you can see I've done one for this Transformers headphone set, and go through and add that to the video here. Then we can go through and add the product name here, and then you can see now that is tagged in our video. So when we go through and post that, it will give us, people can go through and actually shop for that specific video. So now you can go through and start creating videos for your TikTok shop affiliate and start getting those commissions coming through. If you wanted to increase your earnings even more, there is a strategy that not a lot of people are talking about, and that's taking those videos and running them as TikTok Spark ads. This is basically allowing you to boost out your video and get more views on them and more sales in return. If you want to learn how to run TikTok Spark ads, I recommend checking out this video right here, and we'll see you in the next one.